I'm gonna get a mount for it, probably on my handlebars somewhere in the near future. And yeah, so maybe right now this will just be for like a hand camera for talking. I can just like show my hands and all that good stuff for now. But today is a very important video. This might be my first really important video. I'm gonna talk about something extremely sensitive to me. I didn't want to ever talk about this. I thought I could just hide it, but I need to talk about it. I dropped this bike. I did drop this bike. Yep. My first month owning this bike, I dropped it. I was pulling out of my school parking lot. I was wearing really uncomfortable shoes. There was I couldn't walk the bike backwards. I'll show the video, but I couldn't walk the bike backwards. So I decided to get off. This is the dumbest thing I had ever done. I decided to get off, walk the bike, and then when I try to get back on the bike, my foot slips because I didn't have the kickstand down, because I'm used to doing this goony shit on my old bike. No, you can't do that kind of shit. And I learned my lesson.
Oh my god, no. God damn it.
I almost cried. I think I did go home and I cried. But basically, I tried to get on the bike, completely lose the bike's weight. I just let go. It falls. It perfectly lands. This lands in the dirt perfectly. So all the damage that should have been done was not really done. And yeah, listen, everyone drops their bike. I hope, I think. I don't know. It makes driving the bike so much easier once you have dropped it. Got that out of the way. It's really easy to get that. Once you get that out of the way. Yeah, once you get that out of the way, riding your bike is a lot better because you're like, oh, whatever, I already dropped it. And thankfully, barely any damage. The only damage was on the exhaust. The exhaust did take some damage, which I was really oh, and the brake lever and the exhaust damaged. I had to get a new brake lever, or foot lever. I don't really know if that's a lever or whatever, but yeah, I had to get a new brake lever. This has like one little scratch on it. My exhaust, it's kind of like weathered in, I guess. It's kind of weird to say. The exhaust kind of weathered itself in. You cannot really see it anymore. I'll show a little close-up at the end of this, but you can't really see it. It was the worst experience. But since then, I try to always wear comfy shoes. Never get on my bike without the kickstand. I mean, these are all really obvious things that you should just know anyway. And I should have known too. I've been riding for a long time. It was extremely stupid. But I'm going to post it. And you guys let me know what you think. Probably, so the exhaust is about like $1,000. And just the tip was damaged, so it's a $70 tip. Thank God, if I wanted to replace it. The levers, hand lever was completely undamaged. Mirror wasn't even bent. Mirror was fine. There's not even a scratch on it. I got really lucky. It was one of the luckiest days, but also one of the worst days of my life. What's up, puppy? For anyone that's ever dropped a motorcycle, just go ahead and comment. Let me know how it felt. I'll try to explain how it feels to drop a motorcycle right now. So, dropping a motorcycle, especially a brand new motorcycle that you love so much and I've like saved up for so long, It felt like the end of the world. Let's just say that. I was like, well, everyone's gonna laugh at me. They're all gonna think my bike is stupid now. It's no, your bike's always cool. It can have scratches on it. I mean, of course, I look at other people's scratches and I'm like, oh, I wonder how he got that scratch. But my bike, thankfully, is very clean. Oh man, I couldn't. I'm so glad it didn't get more damaged. It could have been so much worse.
Oh my god, no. God damn it. I want to cry.